So yeah, basically we're down from the tower. The climate is still painfully relaxing. Nothing is going on, no people. It's like a ghost city. And yeah, I discovered another function of the girls standing inside. One is there to tell you where the exit is. It's basically there on the other side. Then I talked to that guy to ask him where I should go. He had no idea. No idea. I asked him where I can have a beer. He had no idea. No idea. Whatever. I bought this magnet. Click like in the YouTube page if you like it. So I paid about 1,500 for it. So that's a little more than 3 euros. Look, an old Soviet truck, maybe carrying kvass. No, just the water. They use water to clean the roads, you know. So the dust. So there is no dust in the air. And yeah, the reactor, as I call it, the big building. And behind this reactor there is a mosque, which I will try to get into in my shorts. So let's see how tolerant the Kazakh people are. I think there shouldn't be a problem, but when I was in Azerbaijan, yes, they weren't very tolerant of my shorts. People would walk up to me and say, "Oh, you're wearing shorts. Shame on you," something like that. And then I would argue with them in Russian. So don't go to Azerbaijan in shorts. Yeah. So here's a nice view of the tower. And yeah. No, in Kazakhstan, no problem about shorts, about anything. Even if you want to drink vodka on the street, no problem. Just make sure it's in a plastic bag or something. If police stop you, so you don't pay a fine. But nobody ever stopped me, so. But as I told you, don't drink Kazakhstan vodka. It will give you a headache. I'm still headache-ish. Or as we say in my language, I have a cat. That means you have a hangover. Yeah. And I'm still not okay. I'm still a little bit high, as you see, on my rambling and broken English. So there's the big tower. And yeah, we're continuing our walk down there, down under. Yeah, there's a green light, big smiley face. I'm sure it represents the ice cream. Sorry, I didn't see the ice cream. But behind the smiley face, you have the ice cream stand again. So it's getting funny. All you can buy in Kazakhstan is ice cream. Ice cream, yeah. No, that's really funny, sorry. Maybe it's just me. Kurva. There it says мороженое, which is ice cream in Russian. So, but it's closed, look, that one's closed. So, the competition one with the dog. That's that. I still don't get what the dog has to do with ice cream. I don't get it. Maybe they feed ice cream to the dogs in Kazakhstan. I don't know. Why would they put a dog there? Anyway, we have this punto gelato, Regno del Gelato, the king of ice cream in Italian. Oh, there's a goat, silver goat. So let's go to that one. And there's a silver pelican. I don't know. No, those birds they have in Cuba. But they're pink, this one's silver. Yeah. Fuck, I cannot remember the name now. Ah yeah, there's the big ball we were at. The golden ball. It's actually golden, it's a ball, so it's a golden ball. I'll call it the golden ball. You should too. So, yeah. There's the Kazakh means goat. Kazakhstan means goat land. So there's the national symbol, the goat, Kazakh. I just made it up, don't quote me on that. So That's my reasoning. But my reasoning usually isn't the same as of these people here, because they've built this mega walking street with no people walking on it, which is actually disappointing. And yeah, since we're in kind of Muslim country, they don't sell beer anywhere, so it's a bit frustrating. I didn't see a shop anywhere in the city. If you want to get a yogurt, you can get a yogurt. I bought it in the suburbs where I have the hotel, but here only tall buildings, which I understand. It's not capitalist, it's like still we're in communism, so yeah, all you can afford is there, ice cream. And you can scream all about it. I can scream I don't have a beer. I can scream I don't have a water or anything. But you can have ice cream. There, fusion reactor. And there, the wolf. Ooh, on the other side I didn't show the panther. Or puma. Or whatever. It's shining in my face, I cannot see. Metallic objects. They do seem to shine. Oh, there's a nice view. Just let it sink in. Let it sink in. Yeah, that's basically it. Now we go to the Puma. I don't know. You tell me what's the right word in English. Or panther. Puma panther. So, there you have a Puma panther. And there you have Keruen. I hope that's a shop. So I'll go to that shop maybe, if that's a shop. And there's a little bar outside, maybe I'll stop there. Hope they don't rip me off. And there's, I don't know, Islamic something. It has to be. The reactor, as I call it, I don't know what. And yeah, even in daylight, in broad shiny day, you have the lights turned on. That means they are rich, man. They're wasting electricity like, I don't know. Yeah, I'll sign off for now so you don't hear me ramble. That's funny little guy. Captain America. Yeah. Oh, not many people. This Olymp sign. Yeah. Okay.